Welcome to Leanbyte MQS, the manufacturing qualification system designed to reduce production errors and accelerate the onboarding of operational workers. By integrating worker assistance, standardized instructions, and advanced e-learning, it enhances efficiency at every stage. Let's explore how it works. This is the main dashboard. Let's navigate to the company's knowledge base and document the specialized knowledge used on the shop floor. In the first scene, we see a process manager creating a checklist for their team. Simply click Create and add instructions to the checklist. The manager, in this case, opts to add a work step and assign a noun to enhance the identification of information within the knowledge base. You can also upload photos to improve clarity. Leanbyte enables you to annotate images with symbols to highlight key technical details. In addition to that, you can also add videos for better guidance, specifying the exact time frames workers should focus on. Leanbyte enables the inclusion of various instruction types such as work steps, input fields, measurement steps, and other customizable options to suit your process needs. Each step must be validated and signed off, ensuring traceability and compliance. These instructions guide workers in documenting their progress. To begin, the worker must enter an order number. To proceed to the next step, workers must sign off and confirm whether the product meets quality standards. The worker can approve or reject the product, with the option to add a comment and attach a photo of the product to the approval or rejection. Here we see completed and pending tasks with the option to download the details and traceability. Returning to the home screen, we review production orders coming in directly from SAP products. Orders coming from an ERP system include relevant details such as quantity and other essential information for the shop floor. The manager assigns a checklist to the order, designates a qualified worker, and releases it for execution with a due date. Let's train more workers to execute that checklist. Workers will see their assigned orders and can launch them from their dashboards. This is the worker signing the checklist and monitoring their progress. Let's explore the training feature. Here, the manager sets up training requirements by defining whether the training is internal or external, uploading the necessary documentation, establishing its validity, and assigning it to the specific job profile that requires the training. In this window, competency levels achieved upon training completion can also be defined. Let's start with the training documentation, where we have an overview of the training's details. Here we can see who's taking part in the training. We can collect their signatures using an iPad. Now, we can review how this training has impacted the employee's qualification matrix. The qualification matrix visually tracks whether a worker has reached the required competency level. Green indicates compliance, while red highlights areas that need improvement to meet job requirements. Now let's set up on-demand e-learning evaluations. This test closely resembles the checklist that guides shop floor workers in their daily tasks. It is presented with multiple selectable options and also highlights incorrect answers, allowing employees to identify and learn from their mistakes. The progress overview provides insight into who has already completed the evaluation. Next, we navigate to the Evaluation Center. In this window, we can adjust the passing percentage for evaluations. Leanbyte identifies unclear concepts by analyzing commonly incorrect answers. A key feature is one-click translation, enabling seamless access to tests and checklists for international teams. Workers can choose their preferred language for training and work by clicking the flag in the upper right corner. Now, we'll explore the feature for tracking changes and assessing the impact of different versions. Finding specific content in any language is quick and easy. Another key feature is version control. Here, we can view the various versions of a checklist, making it easy to implement changes swiftly while maintaining full traceability. This window shows the document name, versions, and who made changes, with dates for full accountability. Leanbyte empowers organizations to swiftly adapt to product and process changes with agility. Continuous process improvement has never been easier. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, our experts are here to assist you.